Hello, good day. Welcome to the 1-minute astrophotography tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about color correction in Siril. Let's say you just stacked an image and all you get is this green mess. What do? Well, let's get into it. To correct the color of the image, go to Image Processing, Color Calibration, click Photometric Color Calibration, type the name of the deep sky object, in my case it's M8, click Find, click Lagoon Nebula. Now you would need information about focal length and pixel size. Often you can get this by clicking the button Get Metadata from Image. If for some reason this button doesn't work, feel free to manually put this information. Please note, if you have used drizzle function, make sure to double the focal length. If you don't know what drizzle is, just ignore what I said. Once everything looks good, click OK. And now wait patiently for a few seconds. Well, there you go. It's done. The image looks much more natural now. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please subscribe.